The Airbus Wingman 2026 represents a significant step forward in the future of military aviation. Designed as an unmanned collaborative combat aircraft, it is intended to fly alongside crewed fighter jets, extending their capabilities while reducing risks for human pilots. The concept reflects the growing importance of autonomous systems in modern air operations. One of the most impressive aspects of the Airbus Wingman is its ability to work as a loyal teammate for advanced fighter aircraft. It can accompany piloted jets during missions, carrying out reconnaissance, surveillance, electronic warfare, or strike operations while remaining under the supervision of the lead aircraft. The aircraft features a sleek, low observable design that helps reduce its radar signature. Its aerodynamic shape and internal systems are optimized for high-speed performance and improved survivability in contested environments, making it suitable for missions where stealth is a major advantage. Artificial intelligence plays a central role in the Wingman's operation. Advanced onboard software enables it to process battlefield information, identify threats, and react quickly to changing situations. While autonomous, it is still designed to operate within commands issued by human operators. The modular design allows the Airbus Wingman to carry different payloads depending on mission requirements. It can be configured with sensors, electronic warfare equipment, communication relay systems, or precision-guided weapons, making it adaptable for multiple operational roles. The aircraft is expected to work closely with next-generation European fighter programs, enhancing their combat effectiveness. By sharing information across secure networks, the Wingman helps create a more connected and informed battlefield, giving pilots greater situational awareness. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to perform dangerous missions ahead of crewed aircraft. It can scout enemy positions, detect air defense systems, and gather intelligence before human pilots enter hostile airspace, significantly reducing operational risks. The propulsion system is designed to provide a balance between speed, endurance, and operational efficiency. Although detailed specifications remain limited, Airbus aims to deliver strong performance while keeping maintenance and operating costs lower than those of traditional fighter aircraft. Advanced communication systems ensure reliable coordination between the Wingman, command centers, and other aircraft. Secure data links allow real-time sharing of mission updates, sensor information, and target data, enabling rapid decision-making during complex operations. The cockpit-free design creates additional space for mission equipment and reduces overall complexity. Without the need to support a human pilot, engineers can optimize the aircraft for endurance, payload capacity, and mission flexibility. The Airbus Wingman is also expected to support electronic warfare by disrupting enemy radar and communication systems. This capability can improve the survivability of friendly aircraft and increase the effectiveness of coordinated military operations. Maintenance has been considered during the development process, with accessible components and modular systems that simplify servicing. Faster maintenance can improve mission readiness and reduce downtime for military operators. As air forces increasingly adopt network-centric warfare, the Wingman fits perfectly into future operational concepts. It serves as both a force multiplier and a cost-effective solution for expanding combat capabilities without requiring additional crewed aircraft. The development of the Airbus Wingman demonstrates Europe's commitment to maintaining advanced aerospace and defense technology. It supports the evolution of collaborative combat systems that combine human decision-making with autonomous platforms for greater mission effectiveness. Overall, the Airbus Wingman 2026 is an exciting glimpse into the future of aerial warfare. Its combination of stealth, artificial intelligence, modular mission capability, and teamwork with crewed fighters makes it one of the most promising unmanned combat aircraft concepts under development. If successfully deployed, it could reshape the way future air forces conduct complex military operations.